Hello everybody, Jamie at shopmask.com here. Welcome to another Mask Minute. Today I'm going to talk to you, it's a bit of a product demo day, so I'm going to show you a new hot product that we have from a brand called Motley. It's quickly become one of my top picks for shampoo. It's the product of the name is called Clay Cleanser, but it is actually a shampoo. It is a foaming shampoo, but it is clay based, so that's what it looks like, kind of like a clay. It actually foams it really nicely. So 3 different types of clay: bentonite, kaolin, and rasool clay. So these clays basically act like magnets and they absorb impurities and toxins in the hair and on the scalp. Great alternative to harsh chemicals and whatnot. So your hair is gonna feel cleansed without feeling stripped or harshly dried out as a result. So I'm just gonna lather it up here so you can see. I had a little bit of product in my hair, but it still lathers up really, really nicely. If you have a ton of stuff in your hair, it might not lather quite as well. You might need to sort of do a rinse and repeat, but regardless, it lathers up pretty nicely. What else? It contains another ingredient called reishi mushroom. It's actually the first ingredient on the list, which means it's a very, very high concentration, high quality, no fillers, that sort of thing. Reishi mushroom is an ancient Chinese remedy that aids in preventing hair loss, and it does that by having anti-DHT properties. DHT is a hormone that is commonly responsible for male hair loss, and the reishi mushroom basically stimulates blood flow to the scalp, which helps to prevent DHT and the results of DHT. Also great as a shampoo if you style your hair a lot. It doesn't leave the hair sort of poofy. It's really, really manageable afterwards, nice and soft, and just feels really, really good. Scent wise, it's got some peppermint, some rosemary, and some sweet fennel, so it's got a really, really nice, refreshing, invigorating scent. Feels great on the scalp. And I think that's about it. So yeah, of course you can check it out on shopmask.com. I'm in a rinse now, but if you want to come see it in the store too, it's available there. And thanks for listening.